Hi, welcome all of you. Namo Buddhaya. Children, we know pearls, diamonds are very valuable things. We call these as gems. Precious gem like diamond is desired by mankind as they represent status and wealth. We have three more valuable things in this whole world than those precious diamonds, pearls, or gems. That is the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. As Buddhists, we have nothing greater than these. The triple gem. The Buddha, Lord Buddha who discovered the truth. The Dhamma, teachings of the Buddha. The Sangha, the monks of our temple. Monks explains to us the teachings of the Supreme Buddha. The triple gem is very valuable to Buddhists. The Buddha, we pay respect to Buddha. The Dhamma, we learn the Dhamma. The Sangha, we follow the advice of the Sangha. Listen to this poem very carefully. I seek refuge in Lord Buddha. I take refuge in Dhamma. I seek refuge in the Sangha. I take refuge again and again.
Sambudu himiyan saranayami Siri sadharmaya saranayami Mahasangha ratnaya saranayami Nevatad saranayami.
The merit belongs to the one who keeps in mind the virtues of the triple gem and respect it. Good things will come to them, respected by all. Those who worship the triple gem are not misled. Engage in good deeds. They avoid sinning activities. Avoid bad deeds. The color of his face brightened. Gods protect them. People who regularly worship the triple gem develop their memory. Do not get sick often. Ability to learn well. Goes to sleep soundly. Sleeps well. Don't have nightmares. No bad dreams. Gets up happily. Leads to a happy life in his word. Will be born in heaven or as human after death. So, let us worship the triple gem regularly. The Buddha. We pay respect to Buddha. The Supreme Buddha knows everything. He knew all this without asking anyone. The Supreme Buddha was the only sage who knew everything by his own wisdom. Can you remember we learned these things in previous lessons? After consuming food offered by Sujata and sit under the Asatuppo tree, then decided to search for the truth alone. There has never been a higher being in this world than the Supreme Buddha. Buddha is the only person in the world who has that great kindness among each and every one. The Lord Buddha found the way to end all of the sorrow and he taught us everything he knew. Lord Buddha teaches us the way to get rid of sorrow and pain and live a comforted life. The stanza of worshipping the Buddha. This includes why we should worship the Supreme Buddha. Remember, if you know the meaning of the stanza and recite it, it will be a merit. Listen carefully how this stanza is pronounced. Listen to this stanza in another way.
Yo adatan pavaro manu Yesu Sakyamuni Bhagava Katkincho Paragato Bal Piriya Samangi Tang Sugatang Saranatamu Pemi.
It is not recommended to mix music for Pali stanzas in Buddhism because our mind focuses on the music other than the stanza. Children, keep these things in your mind. Pali is a universal language like English. The reason I say that is how this stanza is uttered in any country where Buddhism exists. The stanza of worshipping the Supreme Buddha, which contains the 9 virtues of the Buddha. So, that blessed Supreme Buddha, the Blessed One, is accomplished, fully enlightened, perfect in true knowledge and conduct, sublime, knower of world, incomparable, leader of person to be tamed, teacher of gods and humans, enlightened, blessed.
Itipiso Bhagava Arahan Samma Sambuddho Vijjacharana Sampanno Sugato Lokavidu Anuttaro Purisa Dhammasarati Satta Deva Manussanam Buddho Bhagavati.
Let's worship our Lord Buddha in the morning. Let us worship in the evening. Let's worship at all times. Let's offer flowers to Buddha's idols. Let's offer incense. Let's offer lamps. Let's not forget the word Buddha in our mind. Listen to this poem very carefully.
Kainut mama budu sarana yami Basinut mama budu sarana yami Sitinut mama budu sarana yami Sambudu himiyan sarana yami.
In action, I take refuge in the Buddha. By the word, I seek refuge in the Buddha. Thoughtfully, I take refuge in the Buddha. I seek refuge in the Buddha. Let's arrange a flower basket to offer Buddha. First of all, wash your hands and flower basket thoroughly. Sprinkle water into the flowers. Don't put the flowers directly to the water tap because the petals are so smooth so that they can be damaged. Keep the flowers on a clean surface or a bowl. Keep in mind the merits of the Buddha. Arrange the flower basket with a pure heart and a calm mind is also a form of meditation. Let's arrange. If there are flowers with broken petals, set them aside. Arrange the flower stem downward. Now arrange the flower basket as you like. You can choose colored flowers to bring more beauty. Simple patterns can be followed when preparing the flower basket. When we go to offer the flower basket we have prepared to the Supreme Buddha, we have to touch it with our hands. Flower offering stanza. This vase of flowers, fresh, fragrant and colorful, I offer at the sacred lotus feet of the noble sage.
Vanne gandha gunopetang etang kusuma santating pujayami muning dasansa siripada saroruhe Pujemi buddhang kusumena nena punyena metena labami mokkang puppang milayati yata idamme kayo tatayati vinasabhavang.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Buddhu Saranai.